Wait, did Scotty just prove Lemuel's plumber? Because after Lemuel called her a bar, Scotty was suddenly caught chasing a duck, and the internet is having way too much fun with it.
A bird and a bird. Wow. Birds and birds. I know, babe. You funny.
Whoa, why would you do that? So since you want to call me a bird, and look at all these comments, and he ain't wrong,
Really? It was a joke.
this should not be funny. Dead wrong.
I didn't mean that. That was a joke.
That's fine, because look where we at. Yeah. Line them up. I'm a bird. Sure am. A bird about to catch its meal.
What happened as a simple social media exchange has turned into one of those fans simply can't imagine. Screenshots circulating online show a post involving Scotty after Lemuel reportedly had a post to her and referred her as a bird, as instead of the moment disappearing. Things got even hilarious when Scotty was seen chasing a duck. In one photo shared online, Scotty appears to respond following Lemuel's plumber's comment with captions revealing the fact that he had called her a bird. But then, here are the expected parts.